Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to get back on the 66. We are going to, we're going to say this is part 2 to lowering down the 5.3. Alright, today we're going to check the angle again and then we'll move on to dropping down those, trying to see about dropping down the motor mounts. Jesus Christ, I can't talk today. Okay, so loading up the angle finder there. As soon as you come up, turn around the other way. There you go. Okay, so you want me to turn around? Okay. All right, so with this cover on, now today we're sitting at 13. Let me take this cover off. Get out of here, flat. The cover off, we're sitting at 10. So we need to get in here, right here, and get these things loose. I'm gonna loosen these right here. I'm gonna take this one all the way out. Okay, so right here, got the top bolt off, other two are loose. Same thing over here. Yes, that is a tight squeeze in there, but let me see if I can get you a photo, picture of it right there. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it right there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this intake off. Okay guys, so we got a lot to do here. We gotta take off our throttle position, sensor, plug, all our injectors, our coil pack, pull it all the way to the back, unhook our fuel lines, and take off, unhook the fuel lines back there, I'm sorry. Fuel lines here and here. And then we have to, I want to take it off all in one piece. And then got to do the same thing over here and pull this here, Jesus Christ, and pull this here back through, all the way back through here in between my fuel rail and intake. Pull it all the way back here. Out there, let it hang down, then I'm gonna pull it off. Also, I gotta pull that off, which is this piece right here, take that off. And gotta take this off. And then we'll be ready to pull it off. All right, so let me grab my 10, because I thought mostly the only thing I'm gonna need is maybe an 8. Grab me an 8 to take these off. And then I use that to take off the intake as well. All right. All right, she is ready to go airborne. Too easy. So we are going to lift this up just a little bit, loosen up, see if we can pull those lumps out. And I'm going to have to break them loose, because the only thing that I did was loosen it from the mount that mounts to the vehicle. So I got to break the motor mounts loose from the motor once we get it up. Just enough. I just needed to move just enough. Doing this from this side. See, look, I can't see what the hell is going on here. have to redo it. Gotta redo it. It's not coming out right. First of all, I don't want this over this. Need to get up over this. Here. I'm gonna redo this here too. Send this back around the other way. I don't know how my motor was firing because half of these damn things here, these damn injectors, I hope you can see these injectors right here are loose. Yeah, maybe the chatter could have been damn injectors just popping. Or not popping, but no, they couldn't have been popping. Wish I could change those. I'm gonna check into that. Cause I do not like the way those fit. Yeah. It's been the longest part the whole damn day right here, just doing this. Let me grab the bottom of that. Put it on there like that. Twist this around. Yep, I'm making it up as I go. Trying to get this thing on here. Yep, it sure is. Alright. Got you. I got you, buddy. You don't want to do nothing? It's okay. I'm about to make you do something. Not with this lane though. Yeah, we're gonna put this breaker bar on it. See if we can get this whole thing. That works. ready for those. I'll do this out here. Oh, we gotta make it. Get it from the bottom. Again. You biscuit. Okay. I need the breaker bar. That worked out real good. screw down there, my nut down there somewhere. And I have to get it out a little later. When I find it, wherever it went to, shit. So, let's see if we can raise this up some. Yes, we can. Motor mount. Motor mounts. So we got those out right there. So the plan is we're gonna cut them somewhere in here, then measure them back out, let it down, weld them back, or tack weld them back, then weld them up, then we'll reinforce the weld, and then that's gonna be it. We'll start putting it back together and see how low we can get. Well, we're gonna have to take that pan off next. That's gonna be our next thing to do. Welding and taking the pan off. All right, so that's the end of that video. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video the thumbs up. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.